Transform your appointment scheduling from a data headache into a seamless operation by automating your Calendly bookings directly into Google Sheets. Today, we're diving into exactly how to achieve this using Zapier, the powerful automation tool that connects all your apps. No more manual data entry or tedious copy-pasting, just pure efficiency. First things first, you'll need accounts for Calendly and Google Sheets, and a Zapier account once logged into Zapier. We'll start by creating a Zap. That's Zapier's term for an automated workflow. Click on Create Zap or the plus icon for our trigger. We want to tell Zapier when something happens, so we'll search for and select Calendly. In the Trigger Event dropdown, choose Invitee Created. This means our Zap will activate every time someone books a new appointment through your Calendly. Next, you'll need to connect your Calendly account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Calendly data. This usually involves signing into your Calendly account. Once connected, Zapier will attempt to pull in a test invitee. This is crucial to ensure the connection is working and to see the type of data you'll be working with. Now for the action. This is what we want Zapier to do when the trigger happens. We'll click the plus icon in the Action section and search for Google Sheets. In the Action Event dropdown, select Create Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier we want to add a new row of data to a Google Sheet for every new booking. Just like with Calendly, you'll need to connect your Google account to Zapier. Grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to create and edit rows in your spreadsheets. Now select the Google Sheet you want to send your data to. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new sheet with headers like name, email, booking date, and booking time. Then you'll map the fields from your Calendly invitee data to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. Drag and drop or select the data from Calendly to populate each column in your Google Sheet. For example, map the Calendly invitee name field to the name column in your sheet. Finally, test your action to make sure it sends a row to your spreadsheet correctly. Once everything looks good, name your Zap and turn it on. From now on, every new Calendly booking will automatically appear as a new row in your Google Sheet, providing you with an instant, organized record of all your appointments. Happy scheduling!